Most people get this wrong when searching for word game apps that pay real money. They assume every crossword or word puzzle app will automatically turn into easy cash. But here's the truth no one tells you. Only a small number of word game apps actually pay consistently, and most of them use points, ads, or tournament systems instead of direct cash rewards. In this video you'll learn the best word game apps that really pay in 2026, how they work, and the mistakes you need to avoid so you don't waste time on fake earning apps. Let's get straight into it. First is Wordscapes with reward integrations. On its own, Wordscapes is a puzzle game, but in some regions it connects with reward platforms. You earn progress through puzzles, and then rewards depend on partner systems. But here's the catch. You don't get direct cash just for playing in most cases. Now here's where it gets interesting. The second option is Words with Friends tournaments. This is a competitive word game where skill matters. You can enter cash competitions against real players. A user named Alex from Texas joined low-entry games and slowly built small winnings by improving his strategy over time. Third is skills-based word games like WordMojo-style apps. These platforms run real money competitions. You compete in timed word challenges, and the highest score wins cash prizes. But competition is strong, so beginners often struggle at first. Fourth is misplay-style reward ecosystems that include word puzzle games. You don't earn directly from winning words, but from playing time and completing tasks. Jake, a college student, used this during study breaks and collected small gift card rewards over a few weeks. Fifth is Swagbucks, live-style word trivia and spelling games. These apps mix spelling, vocabulary, and trivia into live competitions. Rewards are shared among winners, so consistency is more important than occasional wins. Now let's be real. None of these apps will replace a job or give big income. The real value is small rewards combined with entertainment. If you expect fast cash, you will be disappointed. Also, availability varies by country, and some apps require skill levels or entry fees for higher-paying games. So here's the simple takeaway. Word game apps that pay real money do exist, but they are competitive, slow, and best used for casual earnings, not serious income. If this helped, hit like, comment which app you want reviewed next, and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns that help you avoid wasting time online.